Hey guys, what's up? This is Rando Geek. Alright, I'm testing out a new camera stand that I got. All of my previous unboxings, I was holding my phone. So, got a new camera stand, want to try to make this a little more professional for you guys. Shooting on a Pixel 6a in 4K, full HD. So we'll see how the quality of this is. Got some lights set up. Let's see how this goes. Alright, so what do we have here? We have the, what is it? It's upside down. I can't pronounce the name, sorry. Dahkoiz, The Relentless Pursuit of Perfection. Yes. What phone is this for? It's for the Samsung Galaxy S21 Fan Edition. Alright. Just ordered that phone from Metro. I'm going to do a separate video unboxing for that phone. And then ultimately I'll do a review of the phone. Couple of speed tests. But this is the case. Got it on Amazon. I'll leave the link for you in the description. Highly rated case. Everyone that's purchased it said they like it. It's slim, not too bulky, good materials. 15 bucks, maybe a little less. So not expensive, not cheap, just a good price, a reasonable price. So let's go ahead and open it up. Alright, inside the box we have our manual, care, choking hazards, etc. Okay, this phone does come with a screen protector, so that's another reason why it was highly rated, because you get the screen protector in the box. So it's a very good deal. It's a nice screen protector right here. Alright. You have your white cloth, clean your screen to prepare it for the screen protector. And then we have the case itself. Alright. There we go. So, this material, it's like a nice TPU, but it's firm. You know, it's a nice quality, you can tell. And you can hear it has some nice weight to it, but it's not too thick. It's just enough. You know, it's got a nice slim profile. You know, nice, slim, clean. I got the black, obviously. Not sure if the color is picking up in the camera. I don't know if it looks gray to you or not, but this is black, black on black. You can get black, and then this right here, I'm sure if it's picking up. This right here would be, you know, different colors. They do have a couple of color options. Pink, blue, I think, gray. All right, we got our charging port right here, USB-C, volume rocker up, down, power. This is make believe. This button here doesn't do anything. I'm not sure what that's for. We have another one here. And then there's your camera cutouts. And speaker cutout right here. And that's what the inside looks like. Overall, looks like a very nice case. Again, had some good ratings. Anyone that purchased it was happy with it. So I figured I'd give it a try. Like I said, a nice, slim, clean case. As far as durability, it looks good. Reviewers on Amazon said that they've dropped their phone and it's walks away fine. No scratches on it. So, yeah, so far I like it, you know. All right, guys, that's it for this unboxing here. Thanks for stopping by. Don't forget to smash the like button on your way out. Please consider subscribing so you can stay in the know. Obviously, I do tech podcasts, unboxings, reviews, DIY, any technology, anything technology I'm pretty much trying to cover. So if you smash the subscribe button and turn on your notification bell, you'll be able to get all of my videos and stay in the know. All right, guys, thanks for joining. and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye for now.